Hey guys, it's Pete here again. Great to see you back here again. Hey, today I got a new plasma torch, so I thought I'd let you fellas have a look, see what you think. Watch the video and drop a comment down below or subscribe to my channel. You know the guys, you know the rules. And yeah, let's get on with it. So a lot of you guys are using this AG60 torch here. I'll see if I can get it focused on the old number there. See the old AG60 torch, and these are alright. These come with a lot of your basic plasma cutters, like your cut 40s and your cut 50s. A lot of the cheap plasma cutters have these torches. They're really a common torch, and they're alright, but they're a pretty sort of cheap torch. I don't like the handling of them really. They're not very good on your hands. Well, I don't think so anyway, especially if you're doing a lot of freehand cutting and other bits and pieces. So well, I did a little bit of a look around and see what we could come up with, and I come up with this torch here. So I got this new one here today, this one here, and that's exactly the same torch, but it's a more ergonomic style torch, and it's nicer to handle and all the rest of it. So I thought I'd show you fellas this torch and see what you think. See, this comes like that. See, this is a AG60 as well, exactly the same, but it's nice and long in the handle there, and it also has the ball joint on the end that you put your wire in, and you just push this thing on the end there. Looks good. Put your wire in so you're not dragging your wire around everywhere, and exactly the same model. And this has a safety on the switch as well. Some of them come with the safety, some of them don't. This one happens to come with a safety. I mean, yeah, on off there, and it doesn't have the switch on the top, so it's nicer to handle, and it's really good. I like it anyway. It gives you much more control over your cutting, and for the price of them, they're as cheap as chips. So yeah, they're not much different to these to replace this one, but I'd sooner have this one because it looks better and it handles a lot better, a lot nicer to cut with. And also these come with standard, the AG60 consumables here, and this is a ceramic here, but I don't like these ceramics so much. You can get this is a standard ceramic, but I prefer a ceramic like this, which is exactly the same as the standard ceramic, but as you might notice, this other one here is a little bit deeper and it has a groove in it there. So I prefer this one for the simple reason it just screws on there, same as normal. But the advantage of this one is you can put your guide on there. This is a guide that holds your torch out from the space of your work, so you get the exact right angle, because you put that on your work, and it just it helps the workflow, and it also helps your consumables because they don't burn out so quick. So all you do is slide that on there like so, and now you've got the guide here like so. And when you're cutting something, let me get something here. Oops, just drop that on thing. When you're cutting something, this is your surface you're cutting with here, and as you can see, it just holds at the perfect distance from whatever you're cutting, and it saves your consumables, and it gives you a lot more control because you've got the whole surface here rather than pivoting just on the end of your consumables there. So I really like them, and yeah, they're really good. Gives you a lot more control than this one. And also, if you compare the two torches, there's no comparison. They're you know, this is quite, it's all right, but I prefer this because you've got lots more control over your torch, and exactly the same consumables go on both of these torches. They're both AG60s, both exactly the same consumables, and it's so easy to just change them over. Like you've got your this one here has got the separate switch on top, and your lead goes in there. All you do to change it is unscrew the head like so. Your hose comes up in here. This is an 8mm thread in here, and you screw your hose on there, and you switch, 2 wires on your switch there. Piece of cake. This is exactly the same. Consumables are exactly the same, just a better torch. The consumables are identical, Exactly the same. Exactly the same. And this here has got exactly the same torch head as the other one. I'll show you if you want me to show you. I'll get my drill and we'll just pull this to pieces. Chuck all the screws out, like so. Open this one up. Of course I opened it up on the wrong side, didn't I? So we'll open it up on this side. And there we go. This one here is exactly the same. Got this piece in here, which is exactly the same as this one here. You could probably even interchange the heads if you needed to. Exactly the same, 8mm. Screw your air line on here, and whereas this one has your switch here, like so, this one here has your switch in here. So all you do is solder your two wires, these two wires here that are coming out of the switch, cut it off the switch there, solder them on here, put them in there, like so, your wire with your hose, reassemble the whole thing, which is a piece of cake to reassemble, and there you are, Bob's your uncle. You've changed it over, no worries whatsoever. Quick, this switch is just like, that's when you buy this torch, it comes disassembled, so you'll have to assemble it. So all this is here, just put your switch in here, solder your two wires on here. This is your trigger safety. It's got a little spring on it there, see that little spring? Put one end to there, and the other end just clips in there like so. Like so. Stick it in there. Oops. Stick it in there like so. Your little spring just fits on there. Solder your two wires in there. Put your torch head back in, and as you can see here, there's a locator dowel there that goes in here. Both sides, so you can put it either side, depending which way your thing is coming from, depending which way your hose is coming from. So that's going up, or you may want it going down. See, that's facing up at the moment. Like so. Hold that like that. That on there like so. Together, put your screws back in. Well, actually, this here, before you screw in the very last piece, just push this in here like so. And then screw it in there. And you're away. And you're away again. Put your screws back in. Put all your screws back in, and you're away. You've changed your torch. It's so good. Good torches, cheap as chips. I'll put some links down below if you want to buy one of these torches. I got the green one, but I think they come in red and all sorts of other colours, so I don't know if you get a choice of colour when you buy it, but anyway, they're not very expensive. Unless you want to continue using this one, of course, but that's just personal preference, but I like the flashy looking ones anyway. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you like it. Put some comments down below, and we'll see you next time. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I prefer this torch, as you probably gathered by now. Yeah, it just looks better, it feels better, and it handles a lot better. If you like my videos, subscribe up the top there to my channel and drop some comments down below. You might have something different thoughts on the matter. And I'll put some links down below as well if you want to buy some consumables for this, or you want to buy one of these torches, or whatever. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.